Hey, I am Shibomi from Pearl Elite, and I'll be walking you through how to audit a connector campaign in Ulink. So, for privacy reasons, I am demonstrating this using an inactive campaign, but the process is exactly the same to that of an active campaign. So, let's begin. The first thing, obviously, is to navigate to the connector bar. So this is it right here, like I've done. So once you are inside the connector section, you scroll down to this session. So while you're here, you see a toggle button that shows to delete or not delete. But that's not what we'll be clicking. We'll be clicking on the connector campaign right here. So once that has been clicked, right, it takes us to the connection message, the follow up, maybe you follow up one, message two, blah blah blah. So basically, it's just taking us to message sequence. Once you click this, it shows the message sequence, how the message should be sent, and everything. So make sure you have this in mind. Like for the outreach message, make sure you try to make it brief and concise as possible, and you should focus on starting a conversation or trying to build a business relationship rather than you pitching heavily or trying be to sell something directly to somebody. That doesn't work that way. So after you constructed your connection message, you will do that as well for the follow up one, follow up two. So for the follow up section, you might want to make it a 2 or 3 days interval after the connection request or after like you sent the initial connection message. So you might want to make it like 2 3 days interval or probably from 2 to 3 days for and above. But if you make the follow up too frequent, like maybe a day, like it's gonna appear very spam. It's gonna appear spammy, and that's why it's important for us to review this to make this kind of changes. So that is that for the connector campaign audits. It's just basically you reviewing the message sequence, the follow up interval, and the overall campaign setup just to avoid um, spammy messages. Yeah. So that's it for this video. I'll catch you on the next one.